rehetra ny fitondrany faharoa io no nitsangana anongana azy miaraka tamin'ireo miaramila namany Andriamatoandry Rajoelina. Lovo afidy antanana ny fitondrana ny Madagasikara.
I'm a filmmaker.
You're a filmmaker? From where?
I'm from Denmark.
And what is the film going to be about?
It's about the process of
No, we do. It's your job. This is your job. This is I did my best during the period of presidency, but the result is with this coup. I worked closely with the international community and with the financial institution like the World Bank, the IMF. They helped me to clean up all the debt of Madagascar. Zero opposite?
Oui.
Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire?
Je reviendrai bientôt à Madagascar, Colonel Charles.
Oui. Because it is, I think, the summary of all the events that happened since 2009.
Oh, so that was
And probably some notes. I need to make it as clear as possible because it's a bit long.
The chief of militia, the former prime minister.
Det er fuldstændig vildt, det der står. General Charles, altså ham, der stod bag kuppet, det er hans confession. A preparatory meeting with a view to carrying out Operation Black Monday was held in 2009. Following decisions were made by the legal government. It is necessary to shed human blood as sacrifice for the success of the coup. Try to tell me how the situation is. Can you do it?
At this time, I don't want to repeat it again, but it was very, very bad and it was terrified. Me and my wife and my family, they were at the palace, our palace, and then come up in my room and they point a gun on my phone saying, if you don't dismiss, we will kill you. No, I don't want to repeat it again. Lalo, antaniny loatra eo amin'ny tikilale ina zatra tamin'ny 17 mars. It was very bad, but ask my wife. She has the courage to tell you.
Were we together in the house? Or?
Yes, we are together, but him is in his office.
Yes.
But me, I'm in the bedroom. And there is someone to tell me, let's go. I put a casket.
Yeah.
And he put some lamba like this. And when you pass the gate, nobody don't know us.
Okay, I think that's all today.
Okay.
Masalah mana?
Your ticket, that's fantastic. You're going to hold it up like that.
Like this or make it like this. Remember, demands nothing less. God bless Madagascar.
The de facto reality is that Raziel is in control of the country. When you arrive, there's a very strong possibility that you will be arrested. How do you expect to lead your dialogue if you're in jail?
The most important thing for me is the aspiration of the democracy. The democracy burned my heart.
Yeah. Hi. Good afternoon. My name is Guy Oliver. I'm from the IRIN, it's the UN News Service.
It's sometimes said that former powers such as France still wield an unduly strong influence in Madagascar. Is that true?
It is so important. France helped Madagascar to get out from this crisis because he played a key role.
What do you think will happen tomorrow? What should we expect? Ella, what do you think?
Hello, bad.
Nothing.
I'm fine, but I'm a little bit stressed. I'm going back tomorrow.
What is your question to hear?
Actually, I'm a little bit concerned about, is it dangerous for you or what could happen? And, I'm thinking, I think you also must be thinking these things.
Yes, we think about this.
Yes.
We talk about this, but we say, God bless us because we will do something good for the country. We don't need the war.
Lord, don't worry about the arrest. I have to be brave. We have to have this courage to do it, to do so. If they keep me here, I cannot do any more for the politics. That's it. So I have to make a choice. How many years is my rest of my life?
Hvor mange mennesker tror du venter på ham i lufthavnen i Madagaskar?
Et sted mellem 200 og 500 stykker.
Hvordan skal jeg forholde mig i alt det der?
Du skal slet ikke forholde dig. Du er ikke en del af din mission, eller? Du er privatrejsende. Det vil sige, du er ikke... Du kommer til Madagaskar. Hvis du er heldig, så er der præsidenten med.
There is a problem?
Yeah, it seems like a contract in at the moment. I'm still waiting for an update. Yeah. Vous pouvez commenter en français?
Oui, c'est en français. Yeah. Conformément aux instructions des Jolay, apparemment et consorts sont personnels. Yes. They frequent me to come to Madagascar and they say I'm the person non grata. This is a problem for me. This is the quantity of the people in Madagascar.
Donc, Madagascar, on veut la démocratie totale. On veut la démocratie totale. On n'accepte pas la dictature. Avec tous les coûts de la vie qui montent ici, non, c'est impossible. Le kilo de riz, ça va presque 10 000 francs. C'est impossible pour nous les Malgaches. On veut tout simplement notre président ancien, c'est Marc Ravalomanana, et we need peaceful. We need peaceful here in Madagascar.
suffer. They have not a job, they have no money, and it's really difficult for people. Only those who are in the power now who can take advantage of this situation.
Why is there so many military people?
It's a message for people saying that pay attention, we are here.
Nanomboka teo dia niezaka nifandray tamin'ireo vondrony fampihavanana iraisam-pirenena ny filoha notarihan'ny SADC na Sovereign African Development Community. Nojoitany SADC tamin'izany ilay hoe roadmap na ny tondrozotra hitondra ny Madagasikara hivoaka amin'ny krizy. Saingy tsy voasoratra tao kosa ny fiverenan'ny filoha an-tanindrazana.
Have we heard anything, Mr. President, from the roadmap? You haven't heard anything from SADC?
No, I haven't. Peter and Jens, I want to say clearly, the mediator, they will urge to sign it, but we cannot sign it if they don't allow us to go back in Madagascar.
Yeah, okay.
Andriamatoa Sisano filohan'ny Mozambika teo aloha no nitarika ny SADC tamin'izany. Nampitaina Andriamatoa Ravalomanana taminy ny zony ahafahany mody an-tanindrazana sy ny fandraisany anjara amin'ny fifidianana ho avy.
You can get dirty with hand. Let me ask someone to open.
No, I know
because
it. I know it.
If you have, you should get it in the hands. Oh, you have to break this.
Yes,
have to break this. Let me do the rest. Because if I get dirty, it's no problem. I don't know.
This is a difficult time for everybody.
It's your my roadmap. See, just a second. Not a big change. Yeah, but I think that it will be of no use to raise any discussion about the roadmap now.
The big issue for President Ravalomanana is his return to Madagascar. If we can draw an analogy with a house, President Ravalomanana was chased out of his house.
This is logic.
Yeah.
If there was a logic, we would have solved this problem.
But can I just make the point?
If you want to take out this, because the air condition doesn't work.
Okay, thank you. We are asking the President here to show good faith and generosity, but I also expect Rajwell to show good faith and generosity.
He is guilty of having pushed someone out of his house. Okay? But he has got all the weapons which were in that house. He can manipulate, can do, and so on. And he's not alone. There are forces outside and inside with him. Now, but President, yes, what I'm saying is that it's of no use to start discussing the roadmap now.
No, Mr. Peter, listen to me exactly in positive.
It's
Mr. Peter, you are a mediator. They changed the context of this one.
No.
Yes, this is a big change. From the first version and the second you send it, and this one is big change.
Are you saying that that roadmap is not open for any further discussion or negotiation?
I'm telling you, I swear, that you cannot get any solution in Madagascar by trying to impose anything on the roadmap again.
Yeah, it's up to you. Because you see, as a mediator, you have to listen everybody there. You have to ask me. You called me. I called you.
Now it's too late, you see.
Yeah, if it is too late, that way.
Okay. I think it's too late. I'm giving you a way out. Yes.
You said to us when we were in Maputo. When we were in Maputo, we are willing to work together with you.
Okay. Let's
I'm not so happy.
You are right.
You see, it's not for me, myself. I can't stay here. But you have a problem for 20 million, President.
I don't expect you to be happy Because
yes, you see,
you are here.
20 million people in Madagascar suffering this one.
Okay. Yeah.
Very, very upset with him. No, please don't take a film. So Madagascar in this way, eh?
Where?
This way, in this direction.
Yes.
Yes. I miss my country. It's far away from me.
They try to tell bad things about Ravalomanana, but Ravalomanana is the only president of Madagascar who had ever done something to improve and to increase the riches of Madagascar. Nobody except him has done what he had done.
Yeah.
Yes. Despite what he has done as wrong.
And what did he do as wrong?
Maybe he take profit of his situation of president to improve his own business. Maybe. But what is good, I think, is that many of his
Political negotiations aimed at bringing peace to Madagascar have failed. People in Madagascar are openly saying that SADC and its mediator are biased.
I think the time has come after the meeting. So I think that, the gloves are off.
Okay.
And my advice to the president is going to be, now we have to lobby the international community.
Are you afraid of people being aggressive?
Yes, I'm afraid. Don't burn down. Don't challenge to make a revenge. It's not necessary right now. Let me find the way peacefully.
And how will you do that?
So, by communication. We are all responsible for this. So, we have to...
Semana tala na doiteka mafe ni flua maier tua marca na farmana na midera zoptole za alepa yo yani ai se semana tala doiteka semana tala doiteka lamaku 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 Lamaku, 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 Yoyani, Lamaku, Yoyani, Lamaku, Lamaku, Yoyani, 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 Lamaku, Amule Tanana, Asiura Nape. Ni flua marca na farmanana merkam ni ramatula lora farmanana vadini rechiki am teka mape lamaku atambar soratu sochike dia ao anatin'ny feonorka mlamma nirisitika avetrany amin'ny tompivavana zay tendreny namana riny arabe mananjara avao amin'ny MBS ao anaty fanginana izany rehetrarehetrany dawara